Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma and I make videos on health, fitness and all round wellness. Now in today's video, this is a two-part series. The second part of the series will be coming up next week, so do check it out next week Tuesday if you want to come back. But until then, subscribe, comment and give me a thumbs up. And now in today's video, I'll be simply talking about intermittent fasting. It is a very trendy topic and most Nigerians want to hop on the wagon and do intermittent fasting. So the first part of this series is for those people that have tried intermittent fasting but are really struggling on fasting. I did lose 24 kilos using intermittent fasting, but before I was able to successfully do that, I struggled a lot with fasting for longer. And I know most people too struggle with this. They really do try their best to just fast, and there are various kinds of fast, but the thing about the various kinds of fast is that you have to do what fasting protocol that is suitable for you. Now I will quickly breeze through the fasting techniques that I know and I'll be sharing with you. The first fasting protocol is 12 by 12. That is fasting for 12 hours and eating for 12 hours. Now do understand that your fasting period does include periods of your sleep. So if you're somebody that had their last meal by 8 p.m. at night, that means your next meal will be by 8 the next morning. So that is 8 by 8. Another fasting method is the 16 by 8. That is the one I did, and that is fasting for 16 hours. Like I said, it also includes period of your sleep. So if you're somebody that stopped eating by 8, the next period you eat is by 12. I'm really bad at math, but I think it's by 12. So the next period you will eat is by 12. The next method is the warrior diet. That is the fasting protocol where you fast for 18 to 20 hours and eat within 4 hours. The last fasting method is the 1 meal a day, the Iduma diet. This is where you fast for 23 hours and eat for 1 hour. Now the problem with fasting is, and especially prolonged fasting like 18 hours, the 18 hours, the 20 hours, the 23 hours, and the 16 hours, is that it's really hard, especially with that 20 hours, 23 hours, to get in all your nutrients and hit your calorie goals. Because most times people do tend to undereat with all those prolonged fasting. But with other fastings that this video is for beginners that are really trying to fast, I would advise that if you're really considering fasting and you want to lose weight, you really start small. Like don't start the first day trying to do 20 hours because one year you did it. No. The first thing to do is to really start small. If you're somebody that is very new to fasting and you've never, maybe you're Christian or Muslim and you've never actually done a religious fast, don't even try doing a prolonged fast of 16 or 17 hours. Really start small and do the 12 by 12 method. And there's nothing wrong with starting small, because the longer you do the fast, the stronger you become and the more familiar you are with fasting. So do start small. Another thing to also note, to also help you fast for longer, is to take a lot of drinks. I don't mean sodas, I don't mean juices, I mean taking a lot of water. And also too, when you're trying to have drinks, you can actually have coffee but without any creamers in it, no milk, no sugars. And also too, you can also have apple cider vinegar or lemon in warm water. So those are the drinks you could have while fasting, and it will actually help you suppress your hunger and enable you fast for longer. And let's say now you tried having the drinks and it didn't work and you weren't able to fast for longer, you can actually also try dry fasting. I dry fast, and that's because it actually helps suppress the hunger and nothing goes into my mouth, no water, no food during my fasting period, and this actually helps me fast for longer. So if you're somebody that has tried taking drinks like apple cider vinegar and water and tried it all and it didn't also help you fast for longer, try dry fasting. And also too, with dry fasting, there are a lot of benefits to dry fasting. It actually enhances the benefit you would get from regularly intermittently fasting. So the pretty girl will soon take over, but before she does, just wanted to let you know that I love you. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and thank you for always coming back to sit down with me and let's just talk. Okay, bye. Another technique to helping you fast for longer is to stay active and very productive. Now, I find that when I'm active, productive, have things to do, maybe errands to run, I tend to fast longer. Opposed to when I'm like in the house, maybe during the weekend, just lazing about, watching TV, my mind always just goes back to food. So always try to do something distracting, something productive, something active, and thereby when you're doing something active and your mind is not all on food, you tend to actually fast longer. Another tip to helping you fast for longer is to also to eliminate the all or nothing mentality. Now, most people do think that whenever they start to intermittent fast, if they don't obey that hour or that fasting protocol they had set out for themselves, that means they shouldn't just do it. If you start off and you couldn't just fast for 16 hours and you were able to do 14 hours, that is good and it's perfect. The next day, go back again and try to do maybe 5 minutes longer than you did. Don't just say, because I couldn't do it, I can't do it, and you just give that all or nothing mentality. Another tip I would give to helping you fast for longer is to ask yourself, how do you really feel? Are you truly hungry? Because most times when you do ask yourself, am I hungry? You actually find out that you're not actually hungry. You just feel like maybe snacking or nibbling or something. So truly ask yourself, am I hungry? Another technique to helping you fast is to understand that everybody is not the same. And what works for you might not work for me. And I might actually decide to take a 16/8 fasting protocol. And I will stop eating by 8 and start eating by 12. And that totally works for me. And it's okay. But if you're somebody that actually enjoys having most of their meals later at night, let's say 10, it's all perfectly okay. Work around a schedule and a routine that is suitable for you. It's okay if you stop eating by 11 and start eating by 2. If you're somebody that can do that, maybe you're somebody that really hates having like meals until later in the evening, that is perfectly okay. Just make it in a way that actually fits that hour. Maybe start eating by 4, stop eating by whatever o'clock, because I'm bad at math, so I can't give you that time. And just do what is suitable for you. At the end of the day, you should be able to listen to your body and truly ask yourself, am I truly hungry? And if you're truly hungry, that means you should break your fast. Ask yourself, what time of the day am I truly comfortable with starting and ending my meals? And whatever time it is, do stick with that protocol. I hope you enjoyed all the tips I gave in this video. This video is really short and sweet. I'm trying to do a new thing called short and sweet in all my videos, because I do know that time is money and you just want to get all this information and really leave. So thank you so much for watching. If you do love the video, do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to, and also to hit the bell notification button, because as I said, this is a 2-part series. So this is the first part and the second part will be coming up next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week Tuesday, because I post videos every Tuesday. So until then, bye guys.